Feeling like your to-do list never ends? Welcome to Cash Flow Corner. Today, 5 essential productivity hacks for freelancers and entrepreneurs. Freelancers know the struggle, juggling clients, deadlines, and burnout. Let's fix that. These simple yet powerful hacks will help you take control of your time and focus on what really matters. Hack number 1. Time block for energy, not hours. Time blocking is more than scheduling, it's energy management. Work during your peak focus hours. Protect those deep work periods from distractions. Use tools like Google Calendar or Notion to batch similar tasks together. Hack number 2. Apply the 2-minute rule. If it takes less than 2 minutes, do it immediately. Knocking out small tasks right away clears mental clutter and builds momentum. Hack number 3. Automate repetitive tasks. Automation is your secret employee that never sleeps.
Sent instantly.
Set up workflows using Zapier,
Automate
Notion,
your workflow.
or Airtable to handle
Emails
repetitive
are automatically
tasks.
sorted.
Free
and
up your time for
invoices sent
creative or
instantly.
high-value work. Hack number 4. Schedule deep work sessions. Focus deeply for 60 to 90 minutes. No distractions, no multitasking. Deep work helps you produce more in less time. Try apps like Forest or PomaFocus. Hack number 5. Take digital detox breaks. Step away from your screen to reset your mind. Short breaks every 90 minutes recharge creativity and reduce fatigue. Bonus tip: weekly review and reset. End your week with a quick review. Ask what worked, what didn't. Then adjust your schedule for next week. Consistency beats intensity. Plan smarter, not harder. Which hack will you try first? Share in the comments and subscribe for more strategies to build your financial freedom and focus. Cash Flow Corner, where smart entrepreneurs grow faster.